P0014. B. Camshaft position timing. Over advanced or system performance bank. 1. A P0014 code refers to the VVT, variable valve timing, or VCT, variable camshaft timing components, and the car's PCM, powertrain control module, or ECM, engine control module. VVT is a technology used in the engine to allow it to get greater power or efficiency at different running points. That consists of a few different components, but the P0014 DTC specifically refers to the camshaft, cam, timing. In this case, if the cam timing is above a set limit, over advanced, the engine light will be illuminated and the code will be set. Bank 1 is the side of the engine containing cylinder number 1. The B camshaft shall be either the exhaust, right, or rear camshaft. Left, right, and front rear are determined as if viewed from the driver's seating position. Potential symptoms. Most likely a P0014 DTC will result in one of the following: hard starting, poor idle, and/or stalling. There are potentially other symptoms as well. Of course, when trouble codes are set, the malfunction indicator lamp. Causes of a P0014 DTC trouble code may be caused by one or more of the following: incorrect camshaft timing, wiring problems, harness wiring, in intake, timing control valve control solenoid system, continuous oil flow to VCT piston chamber, failed timing valve control solenoid stuck open. Possible solutions. This DTC code is a result of a mechanical fault of the VCT unit or related components, so there is no need for electrical diagnosis. Refer to vehicle-specific repair manual to perform component tests for the VCT unit. Notes: dealer techs have advanced tools and the ability to follow detailed troubleshooting steps, including the ability to test components using a scan tool. So hope this was helpful. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks for watching.